Hi guys, so today on my channel I am going to be doing an everyday get ready with me, kind of my summer go-to look, and I'm going to show you how to go from this to this. Guys, let's get this moving. So the first thing I do when I get out of the shower, I use this. It's by Limelife. I used to use their other one, but this is the Perfect Glow Moisturizing Bronzing Lotion in the color bronze. They have multiple colors. This is the one I use. I use it from literally my chin line down just to even out my skin tone, but I sometimes use it on my face when I'm just going to the beach. Other times I let it go. Two primers. Kristen Game told me about this. And yes, my background is different. I hope the sound is not too bad. I'm gonna have to mess with that during the summer. This is a new setup for me, so we will see how it goes. Here's hoping. I apologize if the sound is a little echoey. This is a room with hardwood floors in it, and it's a small room. We will see. So Kristen Game told me about this, and it is the KOPARI Starry Eye Balm, and it looks like it's kind of peachy colored. It has a slight tint, but as you saw when I put it on, and you don't need much of it. It has a weird feeling when you put your finger on it, but it feels amazing under your eyes. I don't ever want to go without that stuff. She told me, and I was like, I don't know. Fenty Beauty Primer. I do 2 little pumps and put this on my face. My face looks very white right now because I do have SPF on, but it will all even out. When I'm going to the beach, I throw that Limelife on, and that's all I put on. But today we're gonna do a little just like everyday beachy summer look, easy makeup, nothing too difficult, and I'll try and show you guys my setup here to kind of have all my makeup over to the side. This is just a strawberry lip balm, not rose. This is what it looks like. But those are kind of what I start with, and I let them kind of settle for a little bit. I keep my brushes here in this little just vase thing. Put my eye drops in. If you are new to my channel and you're like, her background is different, I live in Cape Cod, Massachusetts in the summertime, and I live in Maryland in the wintertime. So I am at my summer home, and it's just a small little rancher house. It's a little Cape Cod house. Limelife foundation. I used to be color number 3. Right now in the summer I'm color number 4, and I don't tend to put anything else on except for this because it evens out my skin tone and gives me the right amount of color to match my neck and the rest of my skin on my body, which is what I need. I have had issues in the past when I have found a foundation that matches my neck or my skin on my body that they don't, if I put them on without some sort of colored base or tinted like body glow or something like that, the foundation does not stay. This foundation stays amazing on me. It is crazy how well it does in the sun and the heat and everything, and I mean, it really blends everything in. This color is perfect. I love it with the Real Techniques sponge, and I just dab, 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 and bounce until it is all evened out. Get around my nose. So let's see. So typically my videos might be a little bit off during the summertime than what they typically are, because during the summertime my schedule is a little bit crazy because Limelife setting powder, I do need a new one of these and just an Hourglass brush. My summer house here, I have a lot of people that come and visit a lot of different times. I just set my T-zone. I don't set my whole face. I have a lot of people in and out that visit. I have a lot of people staying here, so it's hard to do a video, 2 videos every week. So we're gonna see how it works out, but you never know. Next thing I use, this has been a favorite for a long while, Bobbi Brown Long Wear Cream Shadow Stick in the color Taupe. It's a lot to say. I have used this, if you are a longtime follower here, I have used this forever. I love it. It is my favorite, favorite, favorite cream shadow. It is the most amazing color. I have just an old like synthetic brush. I don't even know who this is by. It is worn off. I think it was Sedona lace. And I just blend this on my lid to give me a little bit of color. So this is just gonna be like my everyday, not every day meaning when I go to the beach, but like just my summer look, like what I do, how quick and easy it is. Simple, I don't want anything crazy. Then I'm gonna grab a Q-tip and I take it and just clean off my brows. My brows are microbladed, but no matter what I do or how careful I am, I get foundation on my brows. And so I just want to get any product off of my brows so I don't have to color them in or fill them in or any of that fun stuff. I've been using the Limelife Tinted Brow Gel. So let's talk about a typical day for me here, just because if you guys, I always have people wondering what I do. And if you want to see more like every day, like where we eat, what we do, the beach I go to, stuff like that, definitely head over to my Instagram because that's where my more daily stuff is. But let's see here. So typical day is MJ and I get up. Marty is here on weekends, and during the week he is home in Maryland for work. But he is here on weekends, and typically during the week, sorry, trying to get that right. Typically during the week, MJ and I get up in the morning. I have a treadmill here in the room behind here, and I go and work out a lot of times on the treadmill. I am also, by the way, I have a very red undertone to me, and this is a new bronzer to me because I have trouble finding a good bronzer in the summertime. And this is the Anastasia. It is the powder bronzer in the color Tawny, and I'm obsessed with it. Like, it is the perfect color for me. You can tell the mirror is dirty, but I take my brush, it's a Tom Ford brush, and I tap it off. And then I just kind of blend on a 3 and E, like in a big way, because I don't want this to be a contour. I just want this to be a bronze. So look at the difference from this side to this side. It just gives you that healthy glow. So on the mornings we get up and he gets breakfast and he watches his iPad while I work out. And then typically he eats breakfast, I get in the shower, get dressed, get ready. I do some work stuff typically in the morning is when I do my work. Oh, I know what I forgot. Eyeliner, this is new to me, but I'm loving it, is the Limelife Enduring Eyeliner in the color brown. I don't sell Limelife, my girl Christina does. I will put her information down below. I put this on my waterline, not up on my lid. And I do that because I feel like it makes my lashes look thicker, and like I have less makeup on, but that my lashes and my makeup and my eyes look bigger. I tried that on my lid. I didn't like it as much as an eyeliner as on my waterline. My Urban Decay Naked Concealer in the color Medium Light. I always find that strange that it's medium light versus light medium. So in the mornings, I get my work done and we hang out around the house, and he plays, and he has a whole craft room over here next to me too. Again, on Instagram, I show more of this on like my stories and stuff like that. And so then we typically have some lunch here at the house, or we'll go down to the beach and eat lunch at the beach. We have a snack shop on our beach. It's the only one of 3 on the Cape that have, same sponge, a snack shop, which is super nice to have that ability. And we're friends with the owners. They're super nice, and they do sailboats and all kinds of stuff out of there. Same powder with a Real Techniques brush. And I just set a little bit under the eyes. Can you hear my dogs? You can hear them outside running around. They love it here too. Oh, I have a piece of hair stuck under my eye. There we go. So we go to the beach during the day, hang out there generally till about 2:45. The beach is like, we can either walk to it or we can drive to it. We tend to drive because it's easier to take all the stuff. This is an old blush, but I've fallen back in love with it. It is MAC Dainty, and I love it for summer because it has a little bit of pink to it, a little bit of shimmer to it. I use a Limelife foundation brush actually to put my blush on, and it has a little bit of shimmer, so it just gives such a pretty look to it for summertime. A little bit of color without taking away from that bronzer, and a little bit of sheen without looking like oily and gross. So we leave the beach about 2:45 to go over to a different beach where MJ has swim lessons. He has swim lessons 5 days a week from 3 to 3:45. Then we usually come home. MJ likes to shower outside, so he showers outside. This is a SURRATT lash curler. I just pump it a couple times and then hold it. He showers outside, I shower inside. We then typically either eat dinner here, eat dinner at my mother-in-law's. She lives about not even 5 minutes down the road from me here in the summer, and they live in Western Massachusetts in the winter. And then this is that Lancome Monsieur Big, another favorite I've loved for so long. And then we have dinner and we hang out and we just do stuff around the house, or we go to mini golf or go get some ice cream. I have been doing this in the morning. I do all of my healthy or Arbonne 30 days to healthy living. I did that whole cleanse and I am obsessed. I lost like 8 pounds in 4 weeks and I kept up with it. I am going to do an update video on that to tell you guys all about that. And so in the mornings here, I tend to do all of my greens drink. My protein shake is the first thing I eat in the morning. I do all of my, I have 2 teas in the morning. I have healthy detox teas. I have 2 of those in the morning. I love those with my apple cider vinegar and lemon. I do all that stuff in the morning. And then at night is when I do my collagen and all my other vitamins, etc., etc., etc. And then we head to bed. On weekends, it is always different. It depends on who is in visiting. We go to dinners, we cook out, we have people over. It is always, always, always different. Now, a typical beach day here for us is typically high 70s, low 80s. Like if we hit 84, we've got a hot day in the summer. There's always a breeze on our beaches here. We do have both seals and sharks, so you have to be aware while you're swimming. You know, mostly seals. You don't see a lot of sharks. There's certain beaches you do, but you know what they are and you're just cautious. You know, they don't bother you unless you bother them. They tend to go after people that are close to the seals. That's why you shouldn't swim with seals. Seals can bite too. You have gray seals and white seals, I think they are. I forget. Seals, the amount of seals, I'll post a picture in here if I can. The amount of seals here is insane. I love here at dinner time, I can just go over to the fish market and grab some food to eat for dinner. I can have salad stuff here and pick up just some fresh seafood because it literally comes off the boat to here. It's insane. Use that same Q-tip and I just wipe my lips off. Any foundation that might have gotten on them. I've been loving this Lancome Cellmint number 277 lipstick. If you used to love Hourglass Whisper, this is for you. It is amazing. It is pretty much a creamier version of it. I'm obsessed with this. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Then I have been using my Hourglass Wish lip gloss on this. A little bit right in the center. So yeah, I tend to, I'm gonna blow dry my hair in a second and then I'll be back to talk to you guys. All right guys, so hair's dry and done. I am ready. I do not curl my hair as much here. I might put a little bit of oil on my ends just to help the ends in the heat, but that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of quick, easy get ready with me. If you would like to see maybe a video about the products that I brought here with me, maybe that would be a great idea. Let me know down in the comments if you think that's a good idea. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. As always, all products that I am wearing and talking about will be linked down in the description box. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and sticking with me, and have a great day.